when we address the real healing, holistic healing, the process of it, that's a project of the patient or the person itself. So, if you need to take element by element. One of those elements are diet. Diet has twofold effect on your healing. One is cleansing, cleaning your body, cleaning the toxemia side, the toxic upbuild of your body need to be cleaned. That's part of diet. Cleansing is the biggest element of start of a healing. Second element is nurturing yourself, taking it in right nutrition. You need right nutrition to build a healthy body from scratch again. So clean the body, give some kind of right stuff into body is the first part of real healing. You need to do that. Second part is you need to have an intention to heal. If you work against yourself, you will never heal. You need to believe that you will heal, because that's 50% of your presence into healing process is the mental. So you need to believe, I will do that, I will heal. And then secondly, you need to have a healing environment, mental environment. So you should avoid toxic relations, you should avoid toxic stress. If you are a risk manager in a bank, you can't heal because you will have so many triggers during your job which will stress you up. So body cannot take them and say some kind of categorize them and say, okay, these are my job, this is my real threats, etc. Threats for the body is same whether it's job or real. So that's why you need to make sure that your mental environment is safe for healing. So intention is there and you have all the no's away. No toxic relation, no stressful job, no stressful environment, etc. So the third side of holistic healing, as I said, this will take time. It will take quite a long time to heal because you built this disease over 10, 15, 20 years, and at least you need to give 5, 6 months, 8 months to repair it. So what you need to do, you need to maybe accelerate it, speed it up through natural therapies, natural treatments like Reiki, energy work is a natural therapy, natural support, like IVs, vitamin C IVs, curcumin IVs, ozone, etc. All those are natural support for healing. And then finally we need to have a kind of environment which supports our healing. A bird singing support your healing. So of course, depending on your say situation in life, if you have time, what kind of disease you are experiencing, what kind of responsibilities you have, etc. You may do that at home, you may do that partly in a center, you may do that full in a retreat form. So it's all about how can you handle it time-wise, money-wise, energy-wise, mental-wise. But however, which environment you pick up, you need to have all these ingredients into your healing project as a holistic healing project or integrative healing project.